Okay, so today is the 13th of June. Um, so starting with big news. So I always just come onto here and have a look at news that's coming up today. So that's one's in half an hour. There is some big news today, but we're gonna possibly stay out, but we'll have a look anyway. So this is my weekly. So I'm pretty confident with the supply and demand lines that we've got going on here. So this is where consistently we kind of always seem to be at the moment. We have broken through over here, but at the moment, right, this is our next line. That's kind of what we're looking at. So here I'm pretty confident we're going to come up and meet this line here, and we'll be looking at that probably today. This one is on the daily, so it's quite a strong move. I think we've broken through this bit here, so I'm expecting it to come up to here. As you can see, our plan trade. Yeah, so it's a nice kind of confident going up. It's kind of a strong movement. That's what I'll predict. What's just the 4 hourly? That obviously it could come back down, but this is hence the trade. Kind of if we come up and break through on here and trigger that trade, it will come back and make the profit there. Yes, this is what we're looking at. The same on the 1 hourly. This is kind of what I'm looking at every day and thinking our movement. So it's quite bullish. Also, individually every day where we're going at. We've not really had that kind of bearish movement before we come back up. 5 minutes probably the same. Yeah. So 10:30. So I've got 3 hours till it's open. But just to look ahead and see what we're looking at, that's what I kind of look at. It's quite different on here, and then at the moment, kind of coming back down, but I'm pretty confident that would be my plan. Looking from trade views, kind of that would be the trade. Kind of we've broken through this line, and if it comes up enough to trigger it, is on us. We just let that news come in and settle, and then see where we're at. But that's kind of what I'm currently would plan and be thinking about.